If you're serious about cooking and looking for a reliable kitchen tool that can handle a variety of tasks with ease, this Gavasto Immersion Blender Handheld 1000 watts might just be what you need. This versatile hand blender is designed to make your culinary endeavors more efficient and enjoyable, with features that stand out from the crowd. Let's dive into a detailed review of this powerful and practical appliance to see why it's a must-have for any modern kitchen. The heart of the Gavasto Immersion Blender is its powerful 1000-watt copper motor, which delivers impressive blending capabilities. Unlike many other immersion blenders that struggle with tougher ingredients, this model excels at blending everything from ice cubes to frozen fruits. Whether you're making a smooth and creamy soup or a thick, icy smoothie, this blender ensures that you achieve consistent, smooth results every time. The power of this blender is complemented by its unique four-pronged titanium steel blades. These blades are not only durable, but also designed to handle tough blending tasks without dulling. Their curved design allows for better ingredient flow and more efficient blending, which means you can spend less time blending and more time enjoying your creations. One of the most common complaints about immersion blenders is their tendency to scratch pots, pans, and other containers. Gavasto has addressed this issue with an upgraded blade guard that protects your cookware. The unique bell-shaped guard is not just about aesthetics, it's a functional design that prevents scratching and marring on your favorite pots and pans. This means you can blend directly in your cooking pots without worrying about damaging them. The bell guard also plays a crucial role in preventing splashing, which is a common problem with immersion blenders. By keeping the ingredients flowing smoothly through the blades, it ensures a spotless kitchen and a more pleasant cooking experience. The Gavasto Immersion Blender offers an impressive 20-speed settings, far surpassing the standard 2-speed options found in many other blenders. This wide range of speeds gives you unparalleled control over the blending process, allowing you to fine-tune the texture of your recipes. Whether you're making a delicate sauce that requires gentle mixing or a thick shake that needs a powerful blend, this blender has you covered. Additionally, the blender features a separate turbo button, which is designed for those moments when you need an extra burst of power. This feature is particularly handy for crushing ice or blending thick mixtures quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features of the Gavasto Immersion Blender is the range of accessories that come with it. This 5-in-1 appliance includes a snap-on blending attachment, a twist-and-lock chopper, and a pair of egg beaters. The chopper attachment acts as a mini food processor, making it easier to prepare ingredients like onions, herbs, and nuts. The egg beaters are perfect for whipping cream, beating eggs, or making meringues. These accessories expand the functionality of the blender, turning it into a versatile kitchen tool that can handle a wide range of tasks. Whether you're blending, chopping, or whipping, the Gavasto Immersion Blender makes the process quick and easy. The Gavasto Immersion Blender is built with durability and safety in mind. All food contact parts are made from 100% stainless steel and food-grade durable nylon, ensuring that the blender is both robust and safe for everyday use. The stainless steel components resist corrosion and staining, while the food-grade nylon is strong enough to withstand frequent use without degrading. This construction not only enhances the longevity of the blender, but also ensures that it remains safe and hygienic for food preparation. You can blend with confidence, knowing that the materials used in this blender are designed to meet high standards of durability and safety. Cleaning an immersion blender can sometimes be a chore, but Gavasto has made the process as simple as possible. The blender comes with easily detachable accessories that can be rinsed under warm water or placed on the top rack of your dishwasher. This feature is particularly convenient for busy cooks who want to spend more time enjoying their meals and less time cleaning up. The stainless steel body of the blender is also easy to wipe down, ensuring that your blender remains looking sleek and new after every use. With such user-friendly maintenance, the Gavasto Immersion Blender is as easy to care for as it is to use. When investing in a kitchen appliance, it's important to consider the support and warranty offered by the manufacturer. Gavasto goes above and beyond in this area by offering a 5-year warranty on their immersion blender, which is significantly longer than the typical 1 to 3-year warranties provided by other brands. This extended warranty gives you peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected. In addition to the generous warranty, Gavasto offers 24/7 customer support, promising to address any concerns or issues within 8 hours. This level of customer service is a testament to the brand's commitment to ensuring customer satisfaction. In summary, the Gavasto Immersion Blender Handheld is a powerful, versatile, and durable kitchen tool that stands out in the crowded market of hand blenders. Its 1,000-watt motor, 20-speed settings, and range of included accessories make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this blender offers the performance and convenience you need to create delicious meals with ease. From its scratch-resistant blade guard to its easy-to-clean design, every feature of the Gavasto Immersion Blender is thoughtfully designed to enhance your cooking experience. And with the peace of mind that comes with a 5-year warranty and exceptional customer support, you can feel confident that this blender will serve you well for years to come. If you're in the market for a reliable and high-performing immersion blender, the Gavasto Immersion Blender Handheld is an excellent choice. It's not just a blender. It's a kitchen companion that will make your culinary adventures more enjoyable and successful. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.